Welcome to our Chown Road Boathouse project. So you can see behind me here, we have a great space for lounging and hanging out. This project is actually facing north, which is definitely a little bit more difficult to design. During the design process, we actually did a bit of a sun study, which is one of the reasons why we have our rooftop deck here. But on this deck part, we're able to get sun later in the afternoon, and it really allows us to extend our usable time during the day. Coming out to the end of the dock here, we have our boat slip for our clients to park our boat. We have this area filled in for storage, and we also have these wonderful overhangs here that allow the water to kind of shed away from that door and make it a little bit easier to bring boats in and obviously keep the snow and the rain away from the boathouse. So great space to hang out at the end of the dock here. We have umbrellas and a little sitting area right on the end here, and just a great place to be with friends and family. Coming to the back here, we have another space to get away from the sun. We have this little walk-up bar with the door that comes up and just allows our clients to get beverages, to sit. You can even work here. Not that we want to talk about work, but you can pull your laptop up, you can be working and be at the dock. So just another cool space. Coming inside here, we have a bit of a hangout zone and obviously storage for the boat. So we have our hangout area and our boat storage here. The one thing that we like to do in boathouses is we like to make sure at least one of our slips has lots of height. Most people want to have wakeboard boats these days, or some boat with some sort of tower or canopy, and having a lot of ceiling height here gives our clients flexibility, and they can have any kind of boat they want. Coming up to our rooftop deck here, this is something we do on some of our projects, and it's a great place to have some seclusion from the dock, another place to hang out and be with friends and family. But on this project, as I mentioned before, we were chasing the sun. And so when we did our sun studies, we found during peak summer sun, the most of this deck probably is illuminated. Probably the front 30 feet of this deck at least is probably illuminated. And so it just gives our clients or those that want to be in the sun and enjoy the sun, the ability to do that. And so coming down to the end here, we have this hangout space with a propane fireplace and the umbrellas. And so you can hang out, you can lounge in the sun. There's lots of different things to do here. Just back at the end of the dock here, concluding our Chown Road Boathouse project. And so again, fantastic views here. Our goal with all of our projects is really to improve the lifestyle of our clients, and having a place you can come up here in Muskoka to enjoy, disconnect from the busy hustle and bustle of the city is really what we're trying to do with the transformation of our projects. And so thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos. Again, like our other videos, we have a cottage and garage video for this project, so stay tuned and watch those.